Hello viewers, today's my topic is Anglo-Saxon period. The roots of English literature in Anglo-Saxon are it is a Low German dialect. It is also called Old English literature. In the beginning, no alphabet are used by them. They carved their literature on stone or wood in shape of runes. This is a mysterious symbols. The Christian missionaries introduced Roman alphabet in England. The earliest and greatest epic poem is Beowulf. He is a heroic warrior king. He sails from Sweden, fights a terrible monster Grendel and also Grendel's mother. He rescues Orthiger, the king of Denmark. The other poem is Bitsith and Doer's Complaint. Now I tell you the nature of English section literature. It would seem remitting like an essential Chaucerian literature, for literature is the work of the clerks who lived in the convent and studied the Bible. It had a mongrel, mixed up type of philosophy. It was made up of German, Latin, Scandinavian, Scottish, and Pictish dialect, as well as cut. The Clurian laborists, as these clerks were called, had gone to Britain from Germany, Scandinavia, and Italy. The earliest exponents of Anglo-Saxon literature are Eldham. He lived in Canterbury. He was the great 7th century stylist. His first refined scholar of the England. He wrote Saint Largy. Boxo is the other one poet of this age. He lived in Wearmouth, Elbe. He spent his entire life in the monastery of Jeno. The masterwork is the ecclesiastical history of the Anglo. Alcuin, he lived in York Monastery. He wrote Charlemagne at Arme. The prose writers of this age are King Alfred was the great king of and the first king of the England, the first real ruler of England. He got a number of Latin and German historical books translated into the native language. His works are Universal History of Orosius. It is a translated version. The other prose writer is Alfric. He wrote Colloquy. The other one is Wulfhaven. He wrote Homeric. The poet of this age is Caedmon. In his poems, the qualities were the creation of the world, the origin of man, and all the history of Israel. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.